What a spectacular place, and this is in the heart of England. This beautiful place is a chalk stream. Crystal clear, laden with spectacular plants. It's like a scene from a movie. And this is in England. Living in this oxygen-rich, crystal clear water is a very special fish indeed. She's known as the Lady of the Stream. This is the Grayling. These beautiful ghostly fish are actually a type of trout, only found in water that is clean and full of oxygen. They race through the water over the stones and gravel, always on the lookout for their prey in the form of insects like mayflies, also worms and insect larvae. They are renowned for their huge dorsal fins, the males always having the largest, and it's used to display to the females. The presence of grayling is a sign of good water quality and oxygen. They are very much the fishy equivalent of a canary in the cage. Long may it rain in this spectacular and rare British chalk stream.